home oven, business oven. Today we are going to learn the high heat temperature, how important it is to cook Neapolitan style pizzas. And today we also made New York style pizza. Yes, today I'm going to show you and teach you all the secret about the high heat temperature. More than secret is understanding the high heat. We are in the home kitchen and also business kitchen. That's why this is the best studio ever, because I'm going to show you professional versus home cooking show. So thank you so much guys for watching from my Iacopelli, and please guys go ahead watch until the end, because I'm putting my heart to this video. And at the end of this video, comment below about what you think, which one was the best, and most importantly what you learned about this high heat temperature, because pizza is a serious thing. Pizza needs to be soft and crunchy in the same time. Enjoy this video and watch until the end. Let's go ahead, let's go to work. Okay, let's go ahead, let's stretch the pizza. The first pizza, Neapolitan style for home oven. So don't worry about I'm making the pizza here, but I'm gonna cook it in the home oven to show you exactly how it will come out. Let's grab one dough, stretch. The goal here is to show you how important is the high temperature for Neapolitan pizza. So now, because it's cooking in a home oven, we're gonna go ahead and just do the part baking part. So when you're cooking the pizza at low temperature, you have to part bake it. So let's go ahead, let's put it in the home oven. Follow me, follow me. So the oven is been an hour at the max temperature with the broil on. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to ventilation really quick, and we're gonna cook it until it gets a nice golden color. Okay, here we go. The pizza is a gold color. Let's go ahead, let's get it. Put it on a plate. And now let's finish up the pizza with olive oil, a little bit on the crust, because the crust, when you put the olive oil on the crust, it gets nice and gold. Then we put a little bit of basil. So I'm gonna make a classic margherita pizza. That's the only way to show you the difference between the high temperature of the oven. Then we put more olive oil on top of the basil a little bit. Here we go. And now back in the oven. Okay, now we have to cook the pizza until the mozzarella starts to bubbling. In the meantime, let's go ahead and let's make the one for business, because it takes only 1 minute. So let's go ahead, let's go back in the business set. Keep in mind, the pizza is cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes in the home oven. But the goal is to show you the texture of the pizzas. But after that, I'm going to show you the New York style pizza in the both ovens in the same way. And then I'm going to show you that it's not really important, the high temperature for New York style. I'm gonna put tomato sauce. Let's go ahead, let's put the fresh mozzarella. And then olive oil. And like you can see here, we didn't part bake the crust because the high temperature. So right now the oven here is at 408 Celsius, and the bottom is around 320. Let's grab the dough. Let's make about 13 inches pizza. Let's go ahead and let's cook it. Boom. Voila. Okay guys, the mozzarella here starts to bubbling. It took about 1 minute and 30 seconds. The pizza over there is still cooking. Boom. Voila, that's cooked. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put some olive oil on the crust. Let's place it on the plate. And now, before we finish this, let's go ahead and let's see the home oven pizza. Making sure that it's still cooking here. And here we go. The home oven pizza is cooked. Let's finish up the pizza with basil. This way we make it look nice. I'm sure they are both really good, but the home oven pizza is gonna look not so good because next to it we have a pizza that it was cooked at a high temperature. Then again, we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil there, olive oil here. And guys, here we go. Pizzas cook it in a home oven versus the business oven. What we learn here that the high temperature, high heat, like you can see, same texture here, but they don't look really good, both the same, because with the high heat we get this kind of black dots. So if you're thinking why in my home oven doesn't come out the black dots, well guys, now we learn that the heat, the high temperature creates the black bubbles. So, but before we finish up this video, I want to make a New York style pizzas, both the same way. Let's not waste the time. Let's go ahead and let's make this New York style pizza. I'm gonna go ahead and make it over there. Okay, same way. We're gonna use the same dough, same exactly thing. I'm gonna make it. Just quick show you how is New York style pizza. The New York style doesn't have any crust and it's placed upside down. So the top part, we're gonna take off all the air from the crust. The top part goes on the bottom. Take off all the flour. Boom, boom, boom. Now, just the base part with the tomato sauce everywhere, a little bit extra. I'm gonna put oregano. So now I'm gonna go ahead and place the pizza, boom, in the home oven and give it a nice par-baked crust. So let's go ahead, let's par-bake it. So let's go ahead, spray the pizza. Voila, boom. Of course, make the pizza ventilation there. This is the set of the pizza. So let's go ahead and let's par-bake it until it gets nice gold color. Okay, here we go. The pizza, yes, is nice gold color. Let's grab it. And now let's finish up this pizza before making the business one. So we're gonna finish with a nice amount of, generous amount of shredded cheese. Make sure you don't put it outside, otherwise you're gonna make a mess in the home oven. And then, like New York style, we often make it a pepperoni pizza. I don't know why. The classic New York style always is with pepperoni. Did you know that in Italy they don't sell pepperoni? Believe it or not, there's no pepperoni in Italy. So we have to put spicy salami, which is pepperoni is spicy salami. Let's go ahead and let's put olive oil everywhere, even on the crust a little bit. Let's go ahead and let's put it back in the oven and we cook until the mozzarella starts to bubbling. Voila. In the meantime, let's go ahead on the business side and let's make the New York style. And then I'm going to cook it and show you how it will come out with the high temperature oven. So we're gonna do the same thing here. Press all the air. Here we go, upside down. In this case, we have a hot oven, so we don't need to par-bake the crust. We go ahead with a generous amount of shredded cheese, because New York style pizza is with shredded cheese. Done. Then let's place the pepperoni. Let's go in the oven. Let's make it nice and big like the other one. And let's place the pizza in the front of the oven because New York style needs a little bit more time from the Neapolitan style pizza. Guys, well, how beautiful is this that I can do home and business together with this way? Tell me in comment, you like that or not? And then it's nice because I can do some mini comparison. So please tell me if you have some kind of idea in mind of me shooting a video for you. So tell me in comment and then I will try to remake it. Let's go check out the pizza. How is that? Good? Mozzarella not bubbling? A little bit. Okay, so guys, the pizza New York style, like the Bari style pizza, needs to be a little bit like well done on the cross, because if it's well done, it's nice. So I'm trying to finish up this, but I see that the home pizza there is about to be ready too. So, but I want to make it look about the same in the same time. So don't stop here editing or anything. I want to show that both pizzas, they've been cooking and really in the home oven and business oven, because here, guys, we don't have any secrets. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and okay, boom. New York style, a little bit overcooked the pepperoni, but nice. Nice bubbling. Ooh. And crunchy at the same time. Let's go ahead, don't stop, come with me. Ooh, voila. Keep in mind, this is the business side, and the pizza, boom, voila. Ooh. Wow. Almost come out better the home oven compared to the high temperature. Look at this, insane. Yes, definitely they come out. Which one looks better in the camera? This? Yeah, definitely this one come out better on the home oven compared to the high heat business oven. Okay, guys, this is to make it look nice. What I like to do, Neapolitan style or Detroit style or whatever the style is, I like to put the basil to make it look nice. They look beautiful, all of them. Look at this, home oven versus business oven. But we are here to learn how important is high temperature for pizzas. So that depends on the style of pizza that you want to cook. That's how important is your oven. We learned that for this kind of style, New York style, it's better to cook the pizza much more slower, because it come out nice and crunchy. Yeah, well, this is the same texture. Let me cut it and let's see how all of these, they hold it. Let's go ahead, let's cut the pizzas. All of them. Okay, guys, let's start with the Neapolitan crust, cook in a home oven, business oven, and Neapolitan pizza cooking in the home oven. So take a look. This is more charred, it's soft. This is more crunchy, even if it doesn't look like, but this is softer than this. So the high heat temperature made the pizza much more soft than compared to this one, because the more time the pizza cooks, the more crunchy it will become. I'm sure it's still really, really good, but compared to this one, it's no comparison, of course, especially when you put it next to each other. Now let's get to the New York style. Well, I can tell this one is already different. Okay, home oven, still smoky. Home oven versus, is soft, versus business oven. Of course, it was cooked too much, too hot. The oven was too hot. And of course, to make this kind of style of pizza, it's better cooking at a lower temperature. But you know, both pizza also come out good. I want to taste this, I can't wait. Sorry, guys. It tastes insane. The oregano gives a nice kick. Wow, guys, I have to say, home oven, definitely better compared to that one. But really, really, both really good. Neapolitan style, of course, still really good too. I'm gonna go ahead and eat it all. I'm gonna try, even if I try to work out and not eat carbs. But I wanna keep in mind one thing, which is really important, I almost forgot. Here we used all the same 75% hydration. Of course, if you wanna make New York style pizza, you need 60% hydration. But besides that, there's gonna be another video. So guys, tell me in comment what you think about this video, and thank you so much for watching every week a new video from my street Iacopelli. Thank you so much, and make sure you share this video, and if you have time, go ahead and rewatch the whole thing. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Ciao! Look at this pizza.